Hello YouTube, Boss Rino. Welcome to my channel. So ito, Nook's Top 5. Marami nagre-request ito. Kaya rin, natatakot kasi ako dito eh. Nadala ako dito kasi ito yung unang-unang halos na panood ko na hindi ako nakatulog. Itong Nook's Top 5. Ang galing kasi nito eh. Sobrang galing nito. So bahala na. Para sa inyo ito, ang haba pa, 28 minutes ha. Pero para sa inyo, tirahin natin ito. So ito, tirahin natin ito bago pa tirahin ng iba. Ito na.
The Last Stop. This next viral video was shared by multiple social media accounts on the internet, but none of them mentioned the original source. The video shows a man inspecting an old abandoned bus somewhere in the rural countryside of Japan.
Parang nakita ko na to ha. Naku, isa pa to eh. Ito yata yung nakita ko eh. Ayoko na ulit makita to.
Of course, as you might expect, things take a terrifying turn.
Putang ina, nakatakot naman. Nakita ko na to eh. Ayoko makita to talaga eh. Takot ako dito. Eto na. Yan oh. Putang ina. Kahit na sabihin mo isipin ko na scripted siya. Iba talaga. Takot ako dyan eh. Pangatlong beses ko na yata nakita to, pero takot na ako eh. Kaya ayoko ng Nook's Top 5 eh. Request kayo na request eh. Tutok-tok ako kayo nagre-request ito eh. Meron pa ba to? Meron pa ba to? Ay, mahaba to dito.
As the man approaches the entrance to the bus, a girl can be seen watching him from the window. He quickly looks inside, but there's no one there.
Mag-aalas 12 na
Now,
kasi
because there's no source, it's impossible to say whether this footage is real or fake. But as always, I leave that up to you to decide.
Tama na, next na.
Something.
Top 10 pala to. So hanggang ano lang tayo top 6. Hanggang top 6 na tayo para isang video ulit yung 5 to 10. Masyado mahaba. 28 minutes. Pag dumaldal pa ako dito, abot ng 40 minutes.
Watch is over.
Number 9.
Paranormal investigator Alex from the YouTube channel Hunting the Unknown sets out to investigate an old abandoned nun convent in the south of England.
Ang creepy ng picture, di ba? Walang mukha yung madre.
Convent in the south of England. The old building also doubled as an asylum for the mentally ill. The convent/asylum was active from the 1800s all the way into the late 1900s, with over 100 years of dark history. It's not surprising that the building is said to be extremely haunted. One ghostly figure that haunts the building is said to be that of a sad nun.
Ba't gano'n? Ang creepy pag madre, no?
Who is said
kasi ang daming lumabas sa horror movie na madre ang kalaang multo.
To still wander the hallways of the old asylum to this day.
Wow,
Alex decides to explore the convent completely alone, with nothing but a camera and a flashlight. While inside, he gets the overwhelming sense that someone is watching him.
Hello, is anyone here?
Nako po. Basag yung salamin, hayop. Nakakatakot yung nakakatakot yung lugar. Ayan Oh shit, ginikilabot. Ayoko lang Nook's Top 5 talaga.
Hello?
Tama na maitsura ng lugar, mga tol. Mga takot, tingin nyo mga takot. Yan, daldal ko na naman, buwisit.
Alex hears strange noises and feels like he's being followed. Then, he captures something absolutely terrifying.
Wag yan. Parang may nakita ko dun shit! Tama na to.
Did you see it?
Sabi ko na,
The
may nakita ko
investigator
eh.
doesn't even notice, but as he passes one of the empty old asylum rooms, an ominous dark figure seems to be lurking inside. A figure with a creepy resemblance to the shadowy outline of a nun. So could it be that the old nun who allegedly haunts the convent was watching Alex? Well, who knows? But you can watch this entire exploration over on the YouTube channel, Hunting the Unknown.
Hanggang 6 lang talaga ako. Hanggang tapos parang di ko kaya tapusin hanggang 1 to. O, bukas na yung 1. Yung 5 to 1. Di ko kaya. Takot ako eh.
Fire and brimstone. This next bizarre video is a bit of a mystery. The video was shared to the internet without a source, and it's a bit unclear as to exactly what is going on here. The footage shows a dangerous fire near 2 cars, and something else truly disturbing.
Nakakatakot yung boses niya.
Someone or something can be seen silently walking through the fire, seemingly unbothered and unhurt. Eerily, the figure resembles the shape of a small child. Could it be that the fire tragically claimed a victim whose spirit is lost in the blaze? Without a source, we'll just never know. The woman.
Nakita ko na rin yun eh, pero ang Nox Top 5, kahit napanood mo na yung video, iba kasi yung banat niya mag-explain eh. Mas nakakadagdag takot.
In white. Musician Eder Olives from Torreon, Mexico is driving home late one night on the Saltillo Torreon Highway, more than he bargained for.
Oh, last na tayo dito 6.
Paranormal investigators Tomo and Hiro from the YouTube channel Omagatoki Film are contacted by one of their viewers, a man named Taguchi, who claims that he's been experiencing strange activity in his studio apartment somewhere in Japan. Taguchi explains that 6 months ago he found a very cheap apartment. And you might ask, well, why was it so cheap? It turns out that the previous owner tragically took his own life right where Taguchi would be living and sleeping. But the young man doesn't believe in ghosts, so he happily signs the lease despite the apartment's dark history. But then, Taguchi starts to have trouble sleeping. He says that he hears footsteps, voices, and scariest of all, he starts to experience sleep paralysis, during which he sees a distorted, laughing face right above him as he lays in bed, unable to move. Tomo and Hiro decide to set up 2 static cameras in Taguchi's home for a month. At the end of that time, they review the month of collected footage. They are shocked by what they find. One night as Taguchi is sleeping, this happens.
Tangina naman talaga. Kailangan pa talaga panoorin ko to. Uy, ano yan? Nauuhaw. Nananaginip, gago.
Taguchi appears to be suffering from a horrible nightmare as he grabs at his neck, seemingly in pain. He wakes up in an absolute panic. But, did you see it? A pale figure seems to materialize in the hallway. The apparition appears to be watching Taguchi as he struggles in his sleep. Taguchi finally wakes and the figure disappears into thin air. But there's something even stranger, because his second camera pointed at the hallway loses focus at the exact same time of the incident, and a distorted face seems to appear right in front of the camera.
Ay, naku naman, tangina mo naman, tol. Gago ka talaga. Tama na, boy.
So could this be the same bizarre face that Taguchi claims he has seen at night? The Omagatoki team believes that Taguchi might be haunted by the spirit of the previous owner. But you can decide for yourself and watch the entire investigation over on the YouTube channel, Omagatoki Film. Shake?
Hindi, isa pa tayo, 5 pa. Kasi sobrang haba, 28 minutes eh. So 5 pa tayo, last one, 5. Di ko na kaya talaga. Promise, alam ko sinasabi nyo, hindi masyado nakakatakot ng video, pero hindi ko alam bakit kanina pa ako takot. Takot talaga ako. Hindi ako nabibiro, takot ako. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Last na, 5. Para yung kinabukasan, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, nako.
And oh no.
Shark, rattle, and oh no, wow.
A music composer named Henning from Oslo, Norway says that for years he has heard strange, unexplained sounds coming from his attic. Over time, the strange activity has just gotten worse. So one day, Henning hears noise from his attic door and grabs his phone to record.
Hallo?
Oh.
Hallo?
Nako.
Hallo? Hallo? Hallo?
Puchang ina. Ay, Diyos ko, nakakatakot naman yung bahay mo. Ba't ba ganyang gawa mo ng bahay? Oh, shit. Tatado ka talaga.
The door latch to Henning's attic shakes and rattles around as if someone is trying to open the door. But when Henning snatches the door open, there's no one there. And then the door suddenly slams shut on its own. Now there's very little extra info on this clip. So, is it a real paranormal encounter? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. Caught.
Ang haba nitong ano to. Ano kayo mahaba dito? Bakit number 4 pa rin? Sobrang haba eh. So yun, tutuloy natin to ha. Bukas. Di ko na kaya. Ay nako. Tuloy ko pa. Isa pa. O isa pa. Para 3, 2, 1 na. Pero hindi ko talaga tatapusin. Last na to. Promise. Last na to. Nasa-challenge kasi ako eh. Kasi natatakot talaga ako eh.
On
Last na to ha. Last na to.
TikTok user Summer, who is a mother of 2, lives in a small house in an old town in rural Georgia. Late one night, Summer takes her phone out to record a quick video in her backyard. But she immediately notices something that is absolutely unnerving.
Ay,
Y'all,
pucha.
I am in my yard. Watch my face. This is not an app doing this.
Uy, ba't ganyan yan?
My yard. The church is behind me. Watch my face.
Uy!
Church. You can see straight through me. I kid you not.
Ano nangyari?
Look at this. Whoa.
On camera, Summer's face seems to twist and distort into something going on here. The most haunted?
Ayoko na. Last na yun. Ayoko na talaga. Ba't ganun? Ba't parang nagtatransparent yung mukha niya? Pag na ako, magre-reaction ako ng basketball mamaya. Dapat hindi eh. Pero hahanap ako para mawala sa utak ko. Hindi ko lang. Kanina pa ako takot eh. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Parang ayoko na mag-shoutout tuloy. Ay nako. Tangina pag Nooks top 5 talaga. Pero nasa challenge ako eh. Tirahin ko nga yung mga Nooks top 5 na yan. Nasa challenge ako eh. Tirahin natin yan, Nooks top 5. Oh, mabilis lang ha. Mabilis na shoutout lang mga tol. Ayun, shoutout kay Lin Sudo. Oo. At shoutout kay Nice One. Shoutout din kay Zoe TV. Pinanood ko yung 3 upload. Wala pa rin yung hiyaw ko. Ayan na. Zoe TV ha. Shoutout na kita. Tapos shoutout din kay Miss A. At shoutout din kay Boss Ken. Wow, Boss Ken. Hindi si Boss Ken to na sikat ha. Boss Nino, pa-wash out naman. Ang tagal ko na po sa iyo nanonood. Since nung nagsimula ka, boss. Isang shoutout naman from Quezon Province, General Nakar. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo. At si Skip G. Shoutout din sa inyo ha. Bukas abangan nyo yung 3, 2, 1. Ang haba. 28 minutes yung video. 13 minutes lang yung tinira natin. 7 na yun. Diba? So, abangan nyo bukas, ha? Takot na ako. I surrender. Maraming salamat sa panonood at hanggang sa muli.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my